Hello everyone, from this section onwards we are going to see about some cargo commands in action. Some of these cargo commands are cargo new, cargo init, cargo build, run, check, clippy, and fmt, update, tree, watch, and edit and dock. We will see all of these and more with example. Okay, let us create our first Rust program. This is empty folder. We first create a file hello.rs. rs is the extension and our first program. The function main is the main entry point in Rust, and println hello world. This is the Rust statement to print something in the console or terminal. Println with exclamation mark. We called it as macro. Macro is a set of routines in Rust which is run in background to do some work. Now we created this file. Now let us compile with Rust compiler. Rust C hello.rs. Now it's compiled and created two files, executable file and program database file, which contains the debugging information. Now we will run hello. Rust has two types of project templates, binary and library. We already created single file Rust binary using hello.rs. Now we create single file Rust library, library.rs. Name is not important, it can have any name. Pubfn greet and println welcome. Library projects only contains functions or modules that are used in binary. Let us compile library.rs using Rust C. To compile single file Rust library, we have to add a crate type equal to library. In Rust world, we called Rust project as library crate or binary crate, like that. There are many crate types are available. Some of are lib, bin, and dylib, and c dylib, and static. Crate type lib produces files with .rlib extension. See library.rlib. Now we compile Rust library with another one extension. So now we select c dylib. The c dylib crate type produces .dll extension files, and dylib also produces .dll extension files. Now let us compile this library with dylib. It is also produces .dll extension files. The crate type dylib and rlib libraries are used in Rust binary, and crate type c dylib libraries are used in other languages like C or C++. Now we create binary file. What I mean binary is which contains function main. Library does not contain main function if the library crate type is not bin. Let us create the binary.rs function main println binary, and let us compile it and run this binary. Okay. Rust C binary.rs. Here also we can give the crate type. The only crate type is bin. It produces binary.exe and binary.pdb. Now let us run this binary. Yes, it has only text binary. Now we include that library module within that binary. So delete it and include the line mod library. This will include library. Now we call the function from library. The greet function is from library create. This will call the greet from function from the library module. Now let us compile and run this binary. Yes, it's compiled. Now we run this binary file. So here is the binary file running. It shows binary and welcome from library file with single files, that is not as a cargo project. While compiling binary file with library, it won't create a rlib or dll files. All library modules are included in binary create, so it won't create rlib or dll files. It only creates binary.exe or and binary.pdb. Now let us run this binary. Yes, it shows its output. From this section onwards, we will learn some of the cargo commands. The first command is cargo new. Cargo new project name, it creates binary Rust project. First we will see the option cargo new -- help. The help option shows the commands option page. It has various options, cargo new and options and the path. Some options are VCS. VCS means version control system. You can use Git or HG or pjjoule or Fossil, and some or none for that. Some other options are lib and bin. -- bin for creating binary project, -- lib for creating library project. And next is cargo. Let us see the manual page. Cargo help new. This will show the manual page of cargo new command. The cargo -new. Cargo new is a component or package which is pre-includes while installing Rust, and it is used to create new Rust project. The -- bin will create min.rs in the source folder, and --lib. The --lib will create lib.rs in the source folder. Using edition option, you can specify Rust edition for your project. It may be 2015, 2018, 2021. Okay, let me create Rust binary project using cargo package manager, cargo new, and Rust -binary. Yes, it will create a Rust binary project or application or package. Normally we called Rust packages a crate. Let us explore the folder structure and files. First we will go to the source folder src. It has main.rs. Within that, the main.rs is a entry point for the Rust project, and function main is the entry function, and within that println. Next is gitignore. The gitignore file to exclude temporary files, and Rust will create intermediate files and temporary files and binary files and library files under this target folder. So we no need to include our target folder while committing our source into Git. And next is cargo.toml. The cargo.toml has the project configuration and dependencies. The project configuration has many information like name, author, version and edition, like that. And dependencies, the dependencies have many types. We include our libraries or we include external libraries In this section, cargo toml will have many sections. Here we have only two sections, package and dependency section. We will explore this file more in later.